What is up, guys? Today we are going to carry our good old friend Andrew to the end. Now, I have done this. Obviously, you can see I have plenty of gold blocks. I've done this a few times, but we're going to help this little guy to his first ending. And also, we not only have the areas as a challenge, but you see this tower? Well, they are trying to harpoon us, and they actually got Andrew one of the times. So yeah, are you ready? I'm gonna make a little hole so I could actually get in. Dude, there's been so many goofy things that we've already incurred in this game. Freddy versus Tank, the Dingling Launcher guy, and God knows who else. Remember when we were witnessing the Dingling Launcher making with that one guy? Alright, just take your time. I can see you through the floor. Oh. Are we ready? Oh yeah, a fair warning is sometimes we do turn around, so you might be cooked. I should have told you that sooner, but... Oh wait, what? How did you get it to work? Oh god, are they shooting us? Oh! Okay, we died. Dude, do you shoot all those... What? Why is this working? How did you get us to the third area? What did I just witness, dude? We flew. This ginormous box somehow made us fly all the way here. Oh yeah, we also do have a cannon. Yes, a ninja star. Okay, dude, get out of here. Okay, I have the can. Why did you harpoon to that guy, by the way? Oh, interesting strategy you got there, pal. Venezuela? That's... Yeah, I guess we're now in Venezuela. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, I'm currently saving up for the airplane. Do you know how OP that's gonna be? Can you undo the harpoon? Oh. Oh, you have not seen anything yet. Yeah. You're gonna get cooked on this next part. Okay, well, luckily we dodged, like... Harpooners, fought! Oh, you can undo them. Dude, how did I not know you can undo the harpoons this entire time? I didn't. Oh, God. We're up. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. By the way, we're cooked next. We're just cooked in the next run. You see the little aliens? Well, it's like Minesweeper where there's bombs and they do so much damage. It's like, it's not even kind of funny. Oh, okay, at least... Oh, yeah, that was painful to watch. Are there any more? Oh, it's over. Dude, look how many bombs we're about to come across. Okay. Yeah, the gaping hole in the ship is a little bit of what... No, we're about to come across two. Oh, that was pain. Ah! Oh! Wait! We might win the game first try, dude. We might win the game first try. Oh, wait, yeah, okay, never mind. This... Ooh, As long as we don't get too many explosive ones. The red ones explode. Oh, well, we only come across a few of them. We should be good. Is that a gold block? No! Dude, why are they so durable, though? Dude, that just tanked. Okay, we can possibly win this. First try. This is basically we have to tank a lot, and then it's free game from here, as long as we don't fall upside down. Yeah, because you have no choice but to tank damage in this one. Oh god. You're bald! Am I bald? I somehow still have my head. Yes. Yes, I turn into a smiley face. Come on, let's get a dub. I could see the end from here. As long as we get past this part, it'll be good. Yeah. I like how both the harpooners are still alive. Oh god. Dude, the area, if we don't win this time, we aren't ever gonna win. The area right before us became Croc Zone. And there's a Pharaoh. Where are you? How did you get it? We might win the— oh, get a seat, get a seat, get a seat. Okay, we're about to do like a barrel roll. We could potentially get the win. I don't know. Ah! Yeah. We're gonna win! I can... I know, that's why I made the second floor, because the second floor is the only thing that really survives. But we made it to the end first try! What? Okay, yes! Get me out of this! Okay. Get to the chest! You can get on the wall. Oh! We win! You got your first gold block. You bro almost got trapped inside the chest. Alright guys, we're so close to halfway. Alright, so should I load the speedster? Yeah, the money is not really that good. The speedster. Oh god. I don't know how many— wait, can I even control that? Oh, you have to— right, you have to also get on one. You have to set your own seat down. Oh yes. Oh, okay. Rocket booster launched! Oh no! We're flying! we landed on the land! Why are you tweaking out in the back seat? Stop tweaking out! Oh no, we have to dodge the tornadoes. Oh god. Ah! What the? You were why is your skin white and then you just have— oh god. Oh no! Where did you go? Oh yeah, okay, yeah, no. Okay, I'm coming back too, dude. Oh yeah, what if we just make our... We have to use all of our resources to make the ultimate box. You realize you could just buy the crates. I have 2024 amount of gold. If I had 2 more gold, this would have been the perfect video. Or if I recorded this 2 years ago, it would have been a perfect video. Alright, so I'm not gonna load anything. So what, are we just gonna make like a huge box? 8x8? Okay, I'm gonna let you build that wall, and I'm gonna... Are you sure an 8x8 is gonna do... I have 138 titanium, by the way. Yeah, 138 titanium, 122 of this other material, 43 of this, 16 of that. Oh, trust me, buddy, I have enough. What? What are you planning? But you said an 8x8, not a 50x50. Oh. Alright. Oh my god. Which weighs 9? I was about to say this looks a little wonky. No, I'm gonna keep it forever. It's good. I gotta blow my nose real quick. Oh, that was a juicy one. Dominic's reaction. Dude, why does May Little Gray... I don't even know how to pronounce that, but no, you will never come on this team in all the years of your life. You're probably like some 5-year-old. Like, I want to be carried to the end of the game. Uh, other than gold, I think this black stuff, like this. SpongeBob Adore, dude. What? 120. Okay, you don't gotta say it like that. What is wrong with us? I have an actual skill issue with building this. Wait, did you say something's gonna be the motor? Like in this floor, in the inside? Alright. It connects to the door. Okay. That's cool. Does the door even open? Oh, yeah, it does. Imagine if there was a block limit. Dude, I think you were calling me. There was this guy who made Titan TV Man, and he was currently making Titan Cameraman. I know, dude. Skibidi Toilet died out so long ago. And genuinely, if you thought the series was peak, I'm gonna come to your house. And you know what? I was gonna come up with something where I was gonna what? I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying so hard. I have 68. Now 67. Whoa. I think this stuff should be better than titanium. Yeah. Dude, where can I see the block stats at? Yeah, titanium and marble. Oh, it's obsidian. What? Rusty? I think I have like one piece of it. Yeah, okay, I have one piece of it. Oh, red bricks? I got red bricks for you. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up this black and then I'm gonna start using. Ooh, I also have this. Must be pretty good because I only have 25 of it. What is that? Alright, cool then. Why? Oh wait, are you just by yourself because everybody else is at the volleyball game? Whoa, okay, you did not need to say it like that. Can I jump on? I can! W game! I could jump on top of you so I could get to the roof. Okay, dude. Do you want me to build the roof? Yeah? Me and Andrew are about to make the ultimate block. I don't know why it was that hard to pronounce block. What? 19 pieces. I'm running low. There's no way an 8x8 cube is causing me this much obsidian. 8 times 8 is like 64. Oh, okay, never mind. 64 times 3. Yeah, like... Yeah, that'll probably buy me out pretty quick. Glass. Is it like the real blue stuff? Why would we need it? Little hole. Alright, I'm gonna make... There. Alright, I have... bricks? I'm gonna finish off this obsidian and should I do the rest in bricks? No, I only had 25 pieces of coal. Bro's watch is still dying with the charger. That's crazy. Oh, what is it? Is it like, oh, this watch is gonna self-kill itself in 2 minutes? Enough. 109 currently. Oh, okay. Like staircase? Doing? Yes, I'm building a staircase. Okay, wow, this is some great communication skills. Oh God! Ah! What is that? What is that? Oh no, there are bullets! Oh God! He's outside our front door! Dude, who is... They got onto our tree. Wait, can I like lock the... Can I lock this? Can't I like lock my base? What team are we on? White. We are the white team now. Oh God, I don't even know what's happening anymore. Okay, so I think he wants me to... Okay, so he says no. Okay, so I think that I've got to build it. Okay. Oh. Dude, this is some great communication. Dude, who is out? Oh my God, he's still here. Oh God! Ah! Oh, he's coming! We have to shut. Oh no! Don't face him. Oh God, he's gonna get harpooned. Oh no! Well, I've got to shut this down before he gets hit. Okay, we kicked him out. Actually, I'm gonna turn that back on. He was a funny guy. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. There we go. So now people can blow us up. That's fun. Hey, blame Joe on us. What are you telling me? Oh, okay. Like, this shape? Also, dude, who's that goofy guy? He tried harpooning us like 5 times. Also, I turned PvP mode, so our stuff can easily get broken. I don't know why I did it, but something just kind of told me to do it. Anyways, we have to kind of save 64 blocks to finish off the wall. But we do have enough to finish this staircase. I have four bricks to spare. Oh wait, we can make it through. Okay, we can make it to the top. He's back! Oh no, he's outside! Oh god. What? Oh. Okay. Dude, I don't know what's happening, dude. Okay, one there, and... Okay, I horribly misput. Dude, he is stalking us! Go away, mister! Okay, I'm also gonna add a turbine. Here we go. Should I, like, remove this wall up here and make it, like, glass? So we can actually see, but... Oh, wait a minute. How many glasses do I have? No, the turbine goes front. I don't know. Oh god, he harpooned me! Ah! Help me! Andrew, look up. He harpooned me! Right through the neck. Dear God, I'm away from the map. I can see like most of the map currently, dude. He let go of me and I died, dude. He's coming for us. We gotta make this quicker. He's outside. Oh God, he's back. Yeah, true. We gotta get in the base. Hurry, Andrew. Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bricks. I think he crashed or something. So. Oh no, he got back up. Oh no, he harpooned himself to the ground. This is good. Why are you making that? Oh God! Out of wood. You could do the same thing without the. Look at the. Oh. Oh no! He's looking inside! Oh no! Do you see the tip of the harpoon? Oh God. Okay, I think we're safe. Oh, he's trying to get in. Oh God, he's trying to get in. Do you think he could get us from up top? Oh my God, he's on top. Dude, don't do whatever you do. Do not open the door. He is outside and he is hungry for baby flesh. Hold on, put your chair more to the left so I can also put my chair, like, right here. Yeah, sure. I think we're gonna need both chairs though, because for some reason one person can't control motors. He's still outside. This is scary. I just realized. Should we like both Andrew, should we both save this? Should we both save this? Okay. I think he finally realized that he was not gonna get us in this tiny little box. We're basically like sea turtles and he's like a bald eagle or something. If we go outside, we are gonna get eaten. Dude. Okay, why did you place these so badly? Okay. Um, I have. How many do I have? I have 3. Uh, did you say one in the back? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. No. I have 3 banners. Hold on. Oh, he's here. Did he harpoon? Oh. um. Um. He might just be a suicide bomber. Dude, the harpoon is sticking out of our vehicle. Alright, is this good? Okay, hold on. So, this is our POV from sitting down. So, I'm gonna... Let there be light! Okay, I'm gonna replace it with a window. Dude, I swear, he's about to appear from nowhere and harpoon us. Wait, do I have 1 window. There. Alright, and with that, our beautiful creation is complete. Let's save. Alright, are we ready? I accidentally hit something. Oh god! All 3 harpooners. I did. Are you ready? Alright, let's do this. Okay, so we have alligator and no swimming. So, ooh, okay. This might be a maybe. Uh, can we even draw? I think this is too heavy to draw. Wait, I think we both have to do it. Oh god. Left. Oh! Oh, well, now we're on our side. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're permanently stuck on our side until we get to... I think we're just cooked. I'm gonna get to... Okay, I'm gonna fire a harpooner this. Okay. I will release every harpooner I have. Oh, bruh, hold up. So let me get this back. Oh, okay. That works too. Okay, you do that because I'm really bad at aiming harpoons. Why is this one so... Why is the middle one so... Oh god, is that one of our... Okay, that's not one of ours. We're straight ends. Interesting sentence. I don't know. That's why harpooners are the best thing in the game. If you disagree, you are literally the worst person to exist. Okay, should we stay like this or should we go left? Wait, I just realized all of our propellers are exposed. Okay, our propellers are tanking everything. Okay, well now we're on, Oh no! Get inside! Dude, if only we were the tank, I think we could... The bowling balls really don't do much, though. Oh, one of our corners have been eliminated. Oh god! Oh god! The titanium is falling like crazy. Ah! Okay, oh my god. Oh, it's over. Yeah! Yeah, if you just look with your eyes, I think even a toddler could understand how this is bad. Oh god, why are we going this way? Or, okay, our booster is broken. Oh. Yeah, if we jump, it's over. Dude, they are ninja starring it up real good. Oh yeah, they're the ones who's tanking the hits now. Don't do this here, dude. They're throwing ninja stars like they're Chinese. Oh, God. Oh, God. We've already lost one of our harpooners. We can't let this happen to another one. Oh, we're cooked. Dude, we're even more cooked for the alligator now. Yeah, dude. The alligators are so annoying. Wait, if we stay like this, we're cooked. Because alligators will just eat us. Yes, they can literally eat you. Like... Well, it's basically over for me, too. Let's see how fast I get. Yeah, it's over for me. Yeah, the alligators are cooking. Oh god. Yeah, I think we need to add another layer to this. Oh, I'm burning. Oh, whoa, all of my limbs are gone. Okay, yeah, and I'm dead. Alright. Fun. Alright, so. That was that was interesting. Hello? Okay. Yeah, I think they don't really do much. Yeah, instead of all the chests being such a pester down there, they're gonna be such a pester up here. Or actually, you know what? I'm flashbanging all of us. Oh god, it's so bright in here. uh, okay, well, I'm gonna... Oh my god, this is so unbearable to look at. So I think there might be a guy. I'm gonna activate all of his bombs. Oh, let's harpoon him somewhere far away. Okay, I have control of his harpoon. Goodbye. Oh no. He stuck himself with his own harpoon. Come here. Here. Yep, we're both gonna have to suffer with this. Alright, okay. I harpooned him somewhere far, far away. Oh my god. Dear, this is painful to look at. Okay. Delete the chair. Well, I can't even come in here properly, so I'll just do it from here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna send him somewhere off again. What do these rockets even do? It says I could click on them, but whenever I try to, it doesn't work. I can't click on his harpoon, though. What is this Diddy Blood doing in my plot? Is Blood Epstein? Wait, I'm dragging him. Hold on. Give me this again. The road. Hold on. I have to drag him away. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. Oh, and he's getting away. I'm slowly dragging him away. Okay, I'm burning again. Goodbye. Don't come back. Wait, he's burning. Uh-oh. Ah, I gotta go. Andrew, we gotta get out of here. Andrew! Andrew! Oh, he went boom! He's self-destruct. Andrew! Where are you in the... Okay. Go, 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 go. Shut the door, shut the door. Okay, get rid of these stupid lights, dude. I'm dying. So? Okay. This is a lot better. Okay. Let's go. Oh no. You landed us in the wrong plot. I gotta blow my nose again, dude. Hold on. Really? You got alligator again, dude? Let's nudge it. What is that? Do you guys see that up there? Alright, I'm back, guys. It's 7 right now. Tomorrow we have remote learning. Yay! Let's just keep on pulling us out of here. I'm trying really hard to get us out of here. Hello? What? Some what? Some what? Okay, I thought you said something else. Yeah, oh god, he's back. Okay, yeah, let's get out of here. Oh god. Oh god, he sees us! Dude, we are gonna... Oh god, he's right there. He knows what we did, Andrew. Why would you do that? Oh god, he's shooting me. Ah! Get me in! Okay. Ah! He's trying to harpoon me! Oh god, I'm burning. Get me in the hole. Alright, well, we escaped, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Wow, that'd be a real shame if you know, harpooned me in the last 2 seconds of this record. What was that? Okay.